So this is the review page. On this page, hitting tabs gives you a weird behavior. So if we are here and we hit tab, and watch the selected field is here, and hit tab again, it goes to the red column, and here, and it goes back to the left column, which is kind of a weird behavior. So now, after I did some change to the code base, if I do tab here, it goes to the left column first, and then the right column. So this is the diffuser page. We have a bunch of keyboard shortcuts on this page. For example, if you press A, it will take you to the previous file, and if you press R, it will let you create a comment on a specific block. And here is the key binding object that enables you to add callback functions. And I added a new help text with the mapping of the keyboard shortcuts. So now if you click on, for example, if you use a keyboard shortcuts on the diffuser page, and now I press A, and it says this key, if you look at over here, this key selects previous file. If you press R, this key creates comment. So this new mapping enables future, for example, if you want to add a help dialog that helps user to understand what keyboard shortcuts you have in your program, this function will take care of that. And also, I move this key bindings object up to the base page view. So, and also I extended the key bindings mixing from the page view. So now any subclasses of the base page view will have the ability to add key bindings by extending this key bindings object, just like we did in the diffuser page view.js. So yeah.